In this tutorial video, we're going to go through using the offset model tool in the software. In this example, I'm going to use this Apple clip art here. The offset model tool creates a 3D offset to any visible model in the project. So if we go over here to the Create a Component by Offsetting Visible Model option, so the first option you can see in the offset model form is the offset distance. This will be the offset distance created around the entire area of the model. So for this, if we enter in 0.1, we can then click the preview option here to preview what this will look like. And as you can see, this has applied a 0.1 inch offset to the entire area of the model. Now say that we didn't want to apply this, we can just click cancel here and it will go back to the original model. So now if we go back into the Create a Component by Offsetting Visible Model tool, so now that we're back in the offset model form, we can look at what happens when you use a negative value for the offset distance. So if we enter minus 0.1 inches in here instead and preview, you can see that some areas of the model are beneath the zero plane. Now, if you do not want this, there is an option to clip Z values to zero plane. So if we select this, click preview, you can see that any part of the model that was below the zero plane has now been removed, and you can now see a flat plane where these parts of the model used to be, as you can see here. So I'm going to go back into this form and I am going to apply a positive offset distance of 0.1 inches. I do not need this option now, and I'm going to preview this. So instead of clicking cancel, I'm now going to click OK to apply the offset to the model. Now, if we go into the Components tab, you can see that there are two models listed: the original Apple 3D model and the one that we have applied the offset to. So the offset tool will create a separate model with the offset applied, and the offset that was used will be included in this model's name. I hope you have found this tutorial video on how to use the offset model tool in the software helpful.